In the world of military hardware, rivalries don't get bigger than the American F-35 Lightning II versus the Swedish Saab Gripen E. On paper, it's a mismatch. The F-35 is a global powerhouse, a stealthy, high-tech juggernaut. The Gripen is the underdog, built for brains and efficiency. The F-35 is America's ultimate stealth fighter, packed with sensors and computing power. The Gripen from Sweden isn't stealthy, but is designed to be smart, adaptable, and tough to fight. This isn't just about which jet is deadlier. It's about strategy, money, politics, and what it means to be a modern air force. The F-35 is a product of overwhelming American power and budget. The Gripen is Sweden's answer. Clever, efficient, and fiercely independent. One is a hammer, the other a multi-tool. And as of 2025, the debate over which is better is more intense than ever. You'd think a dogfight would settle it, but real-world competitions are about much more. In Finland and Canada, both jets faced tough tests: speed, sensors, logistics, and Arctic survival. The F-35 dominated, winning or tying every category in Finland, and crushing the Gripen in Canada's scoring. On paper, the F-35's stealth, sensors, and networked warfare made it the clear winner. Its ability to detect threats and share data changed the game. Official reports called the F-35 more survivable and lethal. So why does the debate continue? Gripen fans argue the tests favor American strengths and miss the Swedish jet's unique electronic warfare and flexibility. They say the numbers don't tell the whole story. The real question, are we measuring the right things? The F-35 isn't just a fighter, it's a flying supercomputer. Its stealth design makes it nearly invisible to radar, letting it strike before enemies even know it's there. But the real magic is inside. Sensors and computers fuse data into a single clear picture for the pilot. The F-35 can see threats from miles away and share that info with allies, acting as the quarterback of the battlefield. This networked warfare is the heart of American strategy. But all this tech comes at a price. The F-35 is complex, with millions of lines of code and a global logistics chain. Upgrades are slow and maintenance is demanding. It's a technological marvel, but it needs a lot of support. Brilliant, but a bit of a diva. The Gripen E is Sweden's answer to American brute force, a scalpel, not a sledgehammer. Instead of stealth, it uses advanced electronic warfare to jam, spoof, and confuse enemies. Its sensors are designed to hunt stealth jets, picking up heat and air disturbances. The Gripen software is modular and easy to upgrade, adapting to new threats in days. It's built for flexibility. It can operate from highways, be turned around by a small team, and get back in the fight fast. The F-35 needs pristine runways and specialists. The Gripen thrives in chaos. It's faster than the F-35, with a longer combat radius and agile dogfighting ability. The Gripen is a pilot's jet, quick, nimble, and unpredictable. Its approach: outthink, outmaneuver, and outlast. A different, but equally valid, way to win. So what tips the scales? Money and control. The Gripen was once much cheaper, but by 2025, costs are similar. The real difference is sovereignty. Buying an F-35 means joining the US ecosystem. Upgrades and maintenance run through Washington and Lockheed Martin. For some, that's security. For others, it's a loss of independence. Saab offers full tech transfer with the Gripen, letting countries control, upgrade, and even build their own jets. It's a pitch to national pride and autonomy. But the Gripen still relies on some American parts, so true independence is tricky. The F-35 offers unmatched capability and alliance. The Gripen, flexibility and control. The choice: the world's best tool, or the tool you truly own? That's why this debate isn't going away.